Hello everyone. In this video, I will tell you why businessmen and entrepreneurs need Storelink mobile app. And also, I will explain you how Storelink app works. Coming to the problem, a store is an emotion for any businessman or an entrepreneur. It is a place where he can showcase his products or present his products to his customer and where customer buys them and he can make some money out of it for his life. But the main problem here is customer walk-ins. The customer walk-ins has been dropping day by day. This is due to many reasons. This is because of changing customer interest. This may be due to the pandemic situations happening around, the bad environmental conditions outside, less convenience to go out, and then the tech savvy and educated customers are feeling shy to enter the stores. And also the common problems that are being faced by the stores are like huge rents, lack of crowded locations, which is something like they don't have perfect location to set up their store, and huge competition with their neighboring business people and inexperienced sales team. It is creating a gap in between these businesses and their local customers. In order to fulfill or the capture this gap, bigger e-commerce companies are entering. They are using technology like internet and e-commerce, and they are building their own online stores and marketing their products through all the technology mediums. This is making these businesses more vulnerable and unable to compete with the competition. And some of these businesses are also trying to use some technology. Some are trying to create their own selling chat groups. They are adding some of their local customers and they are posting their products. But the problem here is the customers don't want to be in the selling chat groups. Few are trying to set up their own online stores, and the development and server maintenance is a bigger hectic. It is very difficult for any business to run both physical store and an online store. And the other aspect is the digital marketing. The digital marketing aspect is completely different when compared to normal marketing. It requires special skill set where every businessman have to undergo the complete study of digital marketing, which is not possible. And also huge digital marketing costs and complexity is making more vulnerable and unable to compete with bigger online stores. Then what is the solution? Then we have developed a solution for these people or for these businesses. We are happy to introduce you the Storelink app, the smallest local online store for businesses and entrepreneurs for showcasing their products and to take orders. Coming to unique features of this Storelink, it doesn't require any domain name like www.xyz.com. It doesn't require such domain names, and the marketing cost is zero. If you want to market your Storelink to your customers, then you doesn't need to spend any amount in order to make this Storelink reach your customers. And tell a friend is also another unique feature in this Storelink, which will help to fetch more new customers every day. Also, beautiful product showcase in Storelink will help to get more orders from your customers. The Storelink is both app and web compatible, and also UPI payments is also integrated into this Storelink app. Storelink doesn't require any web server or a Google Play account to be hosted. It is completely built on progressive web app technology. In order to get a new customer, you just sharing is enough. Then how to get your Storelink? In order to get your own store link or to manage the store link, you need Store Link Manager. For this, you need to go to Google Play Store and get Store Link app or the Store Link Manager app. If you are unable to search in the Google Play Store, you can find the QR code on the right side of your screen. You can also find the link in the description of this video. Once you have downloaded and installed the Store Link Manager, you can see app like this on your mobile screen. After that, you need to register yourself and sign in into the app. After sign in, it will ask some of your basic store details where you need to enter for the first time. After finishing all these steps, now you are ready to manage your store link. This complete store link can be managed with with the Store Link Manager with just 3 steps. First of all, let's generate our store link. In order to generate our store link, we need to just verify our phone number. Once we have verified our phone number, your store link will be generated. After that, let's go to step 1. In the step 1, you can add your new stocks and offers that you have. For suppose you have 100 products or stocks where you can input all the stocks into this inventory. After that, in the step 2, you can showcase as many products that you want to showcase to your customer. For example, if you want to showcase only 10 products from the 100 products that you have in inventory, then you can select 10 products. After you finish adding the products into the step 2 or the showcase, now you are ready to market your store link. In the step 3, you can see the share button over here. Once you click on the share button, your store link will be shared to your customer. Once the store link is been opened in your customer mobile for the first time, he will see install now button or install now pop-up is popping out and asking him to install this store link onto his mobile. Once the customer clicks on the install now button, the store link will be installed like any other app in his mobile besides the other e-commerce apps that he have in his mobile. Now the customer is permanently connected to you. After that, the customer clicks on the shop now button and he can see all the products that you have showcased in the step 2 or in the showcase of your Store Link Manager. The customer checks all the products and chooses a product to order you. Once he enters all his details and confirms his details, the order is placed into your Store Link Manager, where you can see all the details of your customer and you can go into further operations like delivery. You can see all these analytics in the step 3 of your Store Link app. For this, you need to go to step 3 where you can see the complete views your customers are seeing your store link or browsing your store link, the number of installs that are being happened, the orders that you have got, for the total number of products that you are showcasing in your showcase. Now let's discuss about tell a friend option. For suppose as a business person you have passed your store link to the first person. You can see tell a friend option in your first customer mobile below the shop now button. Once the customer clicks on the tell a friend button, it will directly passes this store link to his friend or your customer too, where he can directly install your store link on the mobile too also. Let's go in detail. For suppose this red color infographic of a entrepreneur having the Storelink Manager app, he shared his Storelink to two of his customers, where each customer has shared to two of their two friends using telefriend option. Similarly, this tree grows like this into different stems, and you can find more customers in your Storelink Manager or for your business. You can see all these details in the analytics in the step 3. From this, we can get to know that the Storelink app costs you 0 for your marketing of your store. This is the eagle view of the complete Storelink and how does it work in a local area. In this slide, you can see that the Storelink Manager is center of your page or in a particular location where it has created or generated Storelink and passed to 3 of your customers. And the 3 customers are browsing the products that are been showcased, and they are ordering back to the Storelink Manager. Fortunately, the Storelink Manager can be managed from anywhere you go. Storelink is the best alternative to run a business. Let's go in detail. First, suppose a businessman invests his capital in buying his stocks and showcase his products in his store and market his business and get some orders, and it delivers or fulfills the orders and gets some profits. He again puts his profits back into the stocks in order to move his business forward. And the same business life cycle can be implemented with the Storelink. This proves that Storelink satisfies the complete business life cycle of any business. Coming to the benefits of using Storelink app. Small and mid-class businesses can open online store for their local. If you have a new business idea, the Storelink will be a best choice to start up. Storelink app helps you to handle businesses in pandemic situations like COVID-19. In this COVID-19 situation, you can happily open your online store in your local, and you can convey your service to your customers. And it is a better solution for huge rent problems. If you are facing huge rent problems, then Storelink is a better solution for you. No more location problem. You can find your perfect location to set up your own store. You can compete with bigger online store in your locality. You can hold all your loyal customers through this online technology. Business promotions are much easier with Storelink. It happens just by sharing Storelink. You can cut down huge digital marketing costs, and also the Storelink is zero third-party dependent. In order to get all these benefits with one glance, please download Storelink app from Google Play Store. Otherwise, you can visit our website storelink.online. Thank you.